Voice test. Voice test. I may sound younger than I actually do. That's because I'm doing my best Monokuma impression. Sound good? Well, it's time to actually do my real voice. Yo, what's up? It's your boy. Through the video, I might sound a bit young. Don't get me wrong. I'm told I look and sound like a 9-year-old, but I am not. Alright? Now we got that out of the way. I am very well known for my arts. And, well, yeah. And just so you know, I'm not 9, I'm 12. Yeah. The weird thing how my voice sounds like I'm 9. Anyways, you didn't come here to hear me blabble or blabber. Probably just came here to hear me do voices. God. Do you guys really not like my content that much? Whatever. The voice might come out much differently than it sounds through the camera, so 3, 2, 1, and go. Ha! You're comparing yourself to me? You're not even good enough to be my fake. I'll make you eat those words, you fake hedgehog. Sorry, this is me patting my throat. Let's see. What voice can I do? Alright. Hello, everybody. It's me, Mario. Let's go. Oh, okie dokie. I'm Luigi, number 1. Oh, let's go. I'm Toad, and I'm the best. Let's see, what else can I do? God, I really don't know many voices I can do. I mean, I can sort of do, like, a silver voice in a way. It might sound a little weird coming through the mic. God, I sound like I just smoked a bunch of weed. That just sounds like I just smoked a bunch of cigarettes. Ugh, God, I really let myself go. Well, you shouldn't be smoking, kiddo. I'm not a kiddo. I'm an adult male hedgehog. Well, I guess that's your problem then. Sans, who are you talking to? Nobody, bro. I used to like Undertale. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't really know many voices I can do. Sorry, this is really awkward and stuff. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, ha, yeah, yeah, ha, yeah. And my constant suffering.